Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Samsung A14. To the separation, go to the settings here, search for general management. Now click on the language and input here. Now language, and you can add the language which you want to download. Set as default, and voila, we have our new language here, as you see. And if you want to get back to your standard language, just tap it on it like that and click accept. Voila, you have back to your original language, and that's it for now about the language. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.